Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about decimals. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with today's topic. Let's take any number over here. For example, let's take 5.3. So friends, what will this number be called as? This is called a decimal number. Over here you can see this point is there. This is called the decimal point in the decimal number. And we read our decimal numbers as 5.3. So friends, as you all know, one thing more important which is there in decimals, the places. So let's see the places. As you all know that what are the places which are used in the normal place value system? So let's see, this is the ones place, then it is the tens place, and then it is the hundreds place. Alright, yes, thousand. So for that I have written TH over here. And friends, their values are, this ones represents 1, this tens is for 10, this hundreds is for 100, and this thousand is for 1000, as we all know, as usual. But friends, if we have to go towards here this side, so then there are no places. But there are places in decimal, and that's from where the decimal starts. For example, I say this value, this place's value is 1 upon 10. So what is this place? As we speak it as 1 tenths. So that means here this place is tenths place. Alright, this is the tenths place. And this is from where our decimal starts. Now friends, if I take any number over here, so let's take 6 here, 4 here, 7, 3, and here let's take 8. So how will we write this number in a decimal form? Well, that is very simple. First write the numbers from ones to the tens, ones to the thousands place. Like normally we write 6, 4, 7, and then it is 3. But what about this 8 which is in the tens place? How will we write that? For that we will put a point here and then we will write 8 because 8 is here in the tens place. So I hope that you understood decimals. So friends, now let's see that how can we convert fractions to decimals. So here we have 3 questions, so let's solve them. So the first fraction is 7 upon 10 and we have to convert this 7 upon 10 into decimal, and that is very simple. First friends, we are going to write our numerator as it is. And friends, now count the number of zeros which are given there to us in the denominator. So here 1 0 is there, and simply we have to put our decimal point one place, okay, from the right. So this we will start from the right side. So this is one place, and after that only 1 0 was there. So we will put a decimal point over here, and to complete this in the last we will put a 0 also over here. So now let's convert this 45 upon 100 into a decimal form. So first we will write the numerator as it is. So the numerator is 45. So here it will be 45. And friends, now we count the number of zeros which are given to us in our denominator. So here 2 zeros are there. So simply we will put our decimal 2 places from the right. So this is 1 place and 2 place. So here this will be a decimal point, and to end this we will put a 0 over here. So friends, now let's move on to the next question. So this is 245 upon 1000. 245 upon 1000, and we are going to convert this into a decimal. So first of all, let's write the numerator as it is. So 245 over here. And friends, now count the number of zeros which are given to us in the denominator. So here 1, 2 and 3. So 3 zeros are there in our denominator. So simply we will put our decimal point 3 places from the right. So 1, 2 and 3. So here it will be a decimal point, and to complete this even we will add a 0 in the last. So this is 0.245. So friends, now let's see that how can we convert decimals to fractions. So let's take our question. So there are 3 questions in here. So let's solve them. So the first is 0.2, and we have to convert this decimal into a fraction, and this is very simple. First step is to write down your decimal number without the decimal point. So if we will remove this point over here, then this will become 0 and 2, which is 2 only. So that means this is 0, 2, which is your numerator of your fraction. So that means 2 will be in the numerator. So friends, for the denominator, count the number of places your decimal point is put from the right side. So let's see. Here 1 place is there, and then there is a decimal point. So that means now you first write 1 in the denominator column like this, and you put the number of zeros as the number of places after your decimal was put from the right side. So 1 place was there, so that means here we will put 1 0. So this is how we can convert decimal to fraction. So this was the first question. So friends, now let's move on to the next question. So this is 0.09, and we are going to convert this decimal into fraction. So first let's rewrite this without the decimal point. So when we will rewrite this, so this will be 009. Alright. Now friends, this 009 is the numerator. So simply we will write down 9 in the numerators column, and like this. Now for the denominator, friends, count the number of places from the right your decimal point is put. So let's count from the right side. So 1 place and 2 place, then is our decimal point. So that means after 2 places our decimal point is put. Now simply first write 1 in the denominator and put the number of zeros as after the places your decimal point was put. So after 2 places our decimal point was put. So here also we will add 2 zeros. So this is 100. So that means this will be 9 upon 100. Now let's solve this question. So the C part here. So this is 2.009. So how can we solve this? So simply first let's rewrite this down without the decimal point. So this becomes 2009. So this is our numerator of our fraction. So that means this will be in the numerator, and for the denominator, count the number of places after your decimal is put from the right side. So if we start from here, 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So after 3 places our decimal point is put from the right. So simply first write 1 here and put the number of zeros after the places which were there. So 1 at 3 places, after 3 places our decimal point was there. So here we will put 3 0. So this is 2009 upon 1000. So friends, this is all for today. Hope you like it, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, as always don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to wear a mask and maintain social distancing. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.